Futures are down 4 points. The VIX has a 13 handle, as an isn't even up 1 point this morning. Separate the news flow and look at the price action. If you just looked at that price action in equities, volatility, would you have a clue of what was been happening through the last couple of hours?
I feel like Jake LaMotta, in that famous bout with Sugar Ray. You never got me down, Ray. We've had all year long 1 pound after another, and the market is sitting up 3-4% year to date. And yeah, we're not seeing anything here. I think the market is looking at underlying fundamentals that are really good. The earnings numbers, we are now in mid-July, and I've been watching this every week. The earnings forecast for this year, consensus, keeps going higher. This doesn't usually happen. I mean, as you get through the year, right? And we're almost at 160 now. So the earnings numbers are good. The economy looks solid. Fundamentals are good. The reason we're not higher, I think that's the reason we haven't gone down despite all this. The reason we're not higher is there's increased uncertainty around this trade thing. And I think it is starting to bleed into people's guidance and tone. And investors are cautious. So ultimately, for us to go higher, which is we're still thinking 3,100 by the end of the year, we think we're going to have to get some kind of resolution. And I am very hopeful based on what I'm seeing. The Chinese are losing this war. They're losing it on the numbers, their market's down, their economy's softening, and they're losing it on public perception. Everyone's sort of openly admitting now that the Chinese cheat. 6 months ago, that wasn't the case. So I think they're losing it, and the president needs a victory. He's had a rough week.